Do you know that you're 1 year old? Yeah, it's your birthday.
Not today, but
Not today.
really
it's
soon.
It's going to be in 2 days' time, or 3 days' time. Yeah, but your birthday's coming really soon. So, you got from Bubby and Jetta your first birthday present. Do you know where it is, Adam? Yeah, it's in the box. That's right. This is your birthday present. So do you want to come and open it up? Come on. Let's come and have a look in the box. What's in here? Come and have a look. Come and have a look. Come on. Let's see. What's in here?
Knock knock, what's there? Knock knock.
Let's try and open it.
Knock knock, what's there?
Just get this tape on for you. Maybe we'll have to get some scissors.
I'm doing knock knock. Ťuk ťuk. Co tam je? Ťuk ťuk. Ťuk ťuk.
What's in here? Let's have a look. There's a whole lot of plastic.
Yippee.
Yeah. The box, you can open the box. Yeah. Adam, open the box. Yeah, very good. Well done. Open it. What's this? What's this? Yeah.
To je bezva,
It's
viď?
interesting, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, you can close the box. It's like a book. Yeah, and you can open the box. Yeah, very good. Ah, yeah, you can see something there too. What is this? Should we pull it out and have a look?
I think you'll need Daddy's help.
You might need Daddy's help.
No, Daddyček ti asi bude muset pomoct, to je fakt velký.
Let's see.
Ježíš, to je velký teda.
Oh,
Iu.
oh, you got a happy birthday card. Yeah, see, it says happy birthday. Look at that, that's nice. Happy birthday. Yeah, krasne narozeniny, Adamku. It says inside. Yeah, that means happy birthday, Adam. Keep thinking, keep smiling, have fun. It's your birthday. From Professor Potter and the IQ Toys team. Isn't that nice? Yeah, it's Professor Potter. Yeah, that's your card. Let's have a look at this toy. What is this?
You're spanking
Done.
the ladybug on her bottom. Ty dáváš na zadeček, člověče, tý berušce, je to beruška. Yeah. Yeah. Jo, co to je? Co to je? To je beruška, viď?
It's a ladybug. Aha. Oh, it moves. Oh, ha, ha. It's moving. You like your birthday card too, do you? Yeah, that's the birthday card. Oh wow, it's all padded. And eyes.